Hello everybody, a long time was without any videos in the channel, so this time we get some nice thing to do and to show. If you get this stuff a little bit burnt, actually it looked like this. This box has already been replaced, as you can see here, the nasty hole in there, burned out. I saw even some of the cars for the sale and all this side is burned. The bonnet is burned, everything is burned in the fire, and even your car can be completely burned. So look the problem what it is actually. We have to find it out what it actually makes. In this we have a positive side. It goes from the positive, look in here. This is already replaced. And we opened everything up because we thought probably problem is somewhere in there. And it only happens when you switch your AC on. So when it's on the full power, sometimes you even can see this little thing is blinking up and down. So that means that not good contact in here. That's the problem. And when you put it on the maximum, you go all the way around and you can see how this thing is burning. You can even see the smoke is coming, look. Wow, switch it faster off. Smoky. But we do a next test. We get this thing off. Watch your hands, the safety is first. If you're gonna touch in here, you're gonna definitely burn your skin off. Because the problem is, look, when you deeply look in there, you can see, I don't know if somebody been replacing something or what. In here is not contact. It's the contact is burnt, and the amps, basically the current, not the voltage, but the current is not passing through the joint and into the wire. As you can see, even the rubber is already been burnt off. As you can see here, pretty nasty zooming stuff. But anyway, the idea is how you can check it. Pretty easy. Just get this thing off, get your grabber and grab it right into the wires. Grab it right into the wires, because into the wires you have the best contact what you can get into the wires, and check if it will be burnt or not. Get the Bosch positive on, lights on, everything on, the battery is full. And now what you see, just check. You can use what it calls the temperature measurement, and you can probably see now there will not going to be any problems anymore. This is in my case. But anyway, this is always very important, or first things first, before you get all the wires out, check your connections, because everything have to be clean. Look in this point, there is nothing in clean in here. Yes, it's not hot anymore, pretty good. Look the surface, yes, the surface is nasty. And now everything works perfect. There is no temperature heating up anymore. It's normally, look, 24, 28, 24 degrees, so it's nothing. Before that you saw there was a big smoke coming out. So first things first, the simplest way is just check your joints, because always problems can be in there. In this point we need to find it out how we're gonna fix this thing. We can replace the whole wire, get the new one from the dealer. It's probably gonna cost a big money, so we can just try to solder that stuff. Solder as much as we can, get this thing all out, clean it, and see what we'll got for it. Basically in here, as you can see, is fuses. Fuses normally will hold it, because the hot side is another side of a fuse, so that's why fuse is not blowing. So everything in here is burning like this. As you can see, fuse stay always fine, but the plastic is completely burnt. So let's go into the side, into the cap. And as you can see, now this crystal, which one is steps when you change the speed, is fully showing. Look, you can see it, it's not blinking anymore. It's now okay. So that means you have a very good contact now, and there is no problems with electronics at the moment. So now we can carry on to fix that stuff. So in the next process we decided to cut the sides off. So as you can see what it actually looks like inside of a joint. it's contact maximally not. It's nothing, look. It's just black coil of stuff. So that means there's electricity goes through, but it only voltage goes. But the amps is not going through. So we're gonna clean all that stuff in here. We clean all that stuff in there, and then we're gonna solder that stuff. Here we go, the laboratory stuff. We have two welding machines, not the welding actually, this is the soldering with the air blower. We had 480 degrees there, and in here we're gonna do a little bit higher as well. So we're gonna go up till the maximum we reach is at the same 480 Celsius degrees. We get full size, king size the bonnet, and prepare the solder stuff. Have some little stuff on, so we just snag this thing all the way around because we need pretty perfect contact. So we blow with another one and hold it down and just put that nasty thing in. And as you can see how the solder stuff goes all the way around. This is how looks the heavyweight decision. As you can see, everything is soldered, so we have very good contact. Everything is cleaned out, and this have to be made it with the isolating. And the same as you can see, this one has already been a little bit burnt, so probably this one need to be done the same. But anyway, in this moment I would say thanks for watching. See you in the next video.